I've heard people say that the best way to tell what a beauty influencer likes is to watch what makeup they bring with them on vacation. But are we all not just packing the smallest things that we have?
Hey, I'm maybe Burke, and you're watching Makeup for Lost Time. This is my series for trans women and other people who feel like they missed a few classes when it came to learning about makeup.
I'm packing for a beach vacation, but as somebody who loves makeup, I really want to bring as much stuff as I can. So I figured I'd let you pack my makeup bag with me. I try to have at least like one routine full of everything that I need, and then some stuff I don't need, but I think maybe might be fun. And like, yeah, ideally you bring the stuff that you love on a vacation, but when you're constantly getting sample sizes of moisturizers, like that's gonna be my moisturizer. I'm there for 5 days and 4 nights. And so I'll be coming home the first day. So it's really just 4 mornings I'm there, and there's 3 of these moisturizers, and I probably won't use this one in a full day. Oh, you know what? This moisturizer has SPF in it. I'm gonna use these at night, and this will be my moisturizer during the day. See, for me, I travel pretty often for work, so I'm not necessarily bringing my favorite stuff on trips. I'm using the like samples and the little bits of things that I get throughout the year that I save for these moments for trips. And in terms of skincare, I'm not really bringing like all of my steps. I'm not gonna do my actives at night. Aging cream. I guess this will come too. I have a mini of a jelly cleanser. Do I need 2 SPFs? Kind of like the glow this one gives me, so maybe I'll do both. You can never have too much SPF in the Caribbean. Pair all that with like, maybe I'll bring my caffeine eye cream, and that's my skincare. Clean, moisture, protect. We just do the basics on vacation. And then for makeup, I am gonna pack a little compact mirror because I never really trust hotels. And I think this is my smallest eyeshadow palette, or like the easiest to travel with that has colors that I like for like an everyday look. And I'll bring an eyeshadow primer. I know most people wouldn't even think to bring eyeshadow to a beach vacation, but I like doing my makeup every day. At least when we go out at night. I'm not gonna wear it like in the water during the day. Oh, I do have a little mini of these bronzy drops. These are gonna go in. Body lotion, yeah. And then here's the fun part. I actually use this NYX concealer as a foundation when I travel because it's one of the only concealers, I think it's the only concealer I have that has a pump. And then I actually have a little sample of a concealer that I got when I used to have an Ipsy subscription. So that saves so much room. And actually when I got my Dior foundation, it came with a sample of a little darker color. And if I'm expecting to get a tan, I'm gonna be on a beach vacation, bringing a darker color actually sounds like a good idea. My LA Girl Pro Conceal is almost out, but it's gonna come. No beach vacation is complete without a Lumi lotion. I guess I'll bring eyeliner, even though I could just use eyeshadow. It's good to bring some things that are fun. Like this is like a blue liquid liner that I rarely use. It might be fun to put on one night. I have a mini of this cream blush. I think I also got this as an Ipsy thing. Deciding if this is the blush I'm gonna bring. Maybe this little sample of a Rare Beauty I have too. Oh, it's actually smaller than that one. I'll bring both. It's okay to bring 2 blushes when you're a person who loves blush as much as me. Now my smallest bronzer is this e.l.f. Luminous one, but it's actually like pretty cool toned. And I don't love what it looks like on me. So while it's tiny, it wouldn't be worth it. I have this Glossier one, but I don't think I like this color really much either. I don't wear a lot of bronzer, but it's a beach vacation. But this color is like not really a great bronzer on me. So this might be one of the bigger things I'm bringing, but I'll bring my Fenty bronzer and my e.l.f. powders. Speaking of powders, I do have a mini loose and a mini pressed. So both of those are coming. And then I think we just need a brow gel and brushes. Of course, toiletries. I'm gonna bring a shampoo and conditioner. A lot of times when I travel for work, I don't wash my hair, but especially if I'm gonna be in the water, which I'm hoping I actually want to do that this time. I don't often go in the water on vacation. It'll be good to have something to wash my hair with that's not just the hotel shampoo. And I think that was part of my birthday gift from Sephora last year. And I got a sample set of little fragrances from Glossier. Oh, I think I just inhaled it. I don't like that scent. Okay, we're just gonna pack the one I know I like. Oh, I do have these Chloe ones too. Oh, that's more my vibe. And this has a little packet so it won't spray in the bag, or it's less likely to at least. And then like toothpaste, we need some toiletries. And then I have these blotting sheets from Rare Beauty. I don't really use them because I'm not really an oily person, but on a beach, sweating might be good to have with me. And this I think is more than I can do, but I'm actually checking a bag, I think for the first time in my life, so that I can bring a couple of more things, like a mini setting spray and my leave-in conditioner. Honestly, maybe my spraying hand sanitizer. And the tiny little hair oil. Do I need dry shampoo? Honestly, I'm probably gonna wash my hair more than I usually do, so I don't think so. Oh, I have a Good Girl perfume. I do love Carolina. Where's that other? You get the hell out of here. Okay, I need to figure out a better bag situation for this. I am bringing a fanny pack because I feel like that's useful to have on the beach. So maybe I just put the extras in here. Oh, that's not a bad idea. Let me put the fragrance in here. And then all I need to do is like my clothes and electronics. But this channel's just focused on makeup, so I'll spare you that. But if you follow me elsewhere, I'll probably do like my outfits throughout the week. Ooh, as I'm saying that, make sure I grab my stickies. And this is getting posted the day before I leave, so let me know in the comments if you think I'm missing anything. And stick around as we make up for lost time.